Warning. This video contains strong language and stupidity. If this is too inappropriate for you, leave the video now. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you, and have a great day. Take that. Take that, you stupid assholes.
Okay, Kevin, turn off your Xbox. It's time to go to bed.
Hold on, guys. My dad is talking to me. What's up, Dad?
It's time to go to sleep, because you have school tomorrow.
Aw shit. Dad, do I have to?
Yes, you have school tomorrow.
Can I stay up for another hour? Please, please, please.
No, Kevin, it's time to sleep.
I want to stay up late and have some fucking fun.
If you don't go to bed this instant, you are grounded.
Okay, fine. I will go to fucking bed. God damn it. I hate going to bed early.
Good night, Kevin. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, good night, Dad.
Okay, sweet dreams.
God, I fucking hate that I can't stay up late. I just want to have fun for a little longer. I want to do something really exciting, but what? I know, I should go outside and make some really loud noises. That will be so fucking cool. Ha 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 ha. It's a good thing Mom and Dad are sleeping, because I can easily go through the front door. Okay, cool. I got a bunch of stuff to make noises with, and I got my phone so I can play really loud music. This is gonna be so fucking awesome.
20 minutes later. What the? Why is someone playing really loud music at night?
Honey, what is the noise outside?
I think someone is playing really loud music outside. I am going to check it out and put an end to it.
I have never felt so fucking alive. Playing loud music kicks fucking ass.
Hey, kid, some of us are trying to sleep here. Turn that shit off.
Wait, what?
I said, turn it off. I am trying to sleep.
Hey, fuck off. I am having fun here. Hey man, I am trying to watch my favorite show. Turn it down, or turn it off. This is my yard. I can do whatever the fuck I want. The whole neighborhood can hear you. Turn it off now.
What are you doing?
What is that, Dad? I can't hear you.
I said, what the hell are you doing? Why are you playing loud music late at night?
Oh come on, Dad. I am just having fun here.
The whole neighborhood can hear you. Some people are sleeping. Tell your kid to stop this fucking music right now. I have work tomorrow.
I can't hear my favorite show. I am trying to fucking enjoy it. Dad, I don't want to fucking stop. I am having some damn fun here. This music kicks fucking ass.
Turn it off.
No!
I am not saying it again. Turn it off right now.
GRRRRRRRRR. Fine.
Get inside now.
Inside.
Oh my freaking God. Kevin, I cannot believe you stood up late and played really loud music at night. That's it, you are grounded until The Simpsons gets cancelled. Go to your room right now.
Washington wah 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 wah. I was having so much fun until Dad ruined it. Man, this sucks.